Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's finally spring guys, hence this peachy bold look I have going on. I really wanted something peachy bold. As you can see, I wanted a punch of color and I felt very artsy where I wanted to do some kind of eyeliner. Now, I kid you not, I haven't done eyeliner myself in like forever. I mean like years. Eyeliner used to be like the #1 thing, no brows and just like lipstick. Such a weird look. It's the 90s, I know. But for today, I knew I was gonna have some trouble. So I used this NYX pencil just to outline it. Then I figured I can use the new, what is this? The Melt Water Liner because it's really opaque and creamy. So I thought of maybe using a angled brush, but then I said, you know what? It's probably best I use my Kat Von D white concealer and then just use the thinnest brush that I have and just outline over the outline. Don't know if it turned out okay. It's kind of funky looking to me. I don't know, I'm not used to it, but here it is. I actually filmed this look right before this video, so if the audio is okay or just the footage in general, I'll be sure to have that edit and ready to go. So obviously if that video is okay, it's already been posted, so I'll put that somewhere on the screen and of course in the info box. So in addition to this intro to spring look, I'm also going on a side trip. Not anywhere crazy, it's still local, but I'll be in the outdoors. So I'm thinking I can probably film vlogs again, you know, since I'm going back out there slowly. I know it's been a long time, but I figured since I'm gonna be outdoors, maybe I can film a video of what I bring, like my beauty products for outdoor activities or, you know, just outdoor living. So if you guys haven't already, it would be so amazing if you guys can please subscribe to my vlog channel. It's still very new. It's taking baby steps to get out there, but you know, we gotta start somewhere somehow, right? So I'll go ahead and put the link somewhere over here for you guys. So speaking of vlogging and traveling, I purchased a new tripod. I've been using, let me show you. So this is the hand tripod that I've always used and I like it. But then I discovered this one and I'm like, I like this one better. This is a nice one. It extends all around. You can make it pretty low to the floor or have it pretty normal height, and you can adjust the angle with this here. Why I like this one is because it's very easy to use. You just open it and it opens up to a tripod. You can't extend the height, which is totally fine. But what I like about this is one click of a button, you can actually rotate, so it's very easy versus the other one where you have to twist it. And also there's a detachable remote, so you can actually take selfies, take pictures if it's standing from afar. So not only picture taking, you can actually record, zoom in and zoom out. So I'm super excited to start using this for my upcoming trips. Oh my gosh. Have you guys heard of Makeup Forever HD foundation? Many of you guys may have not. So this is actually the new and improved version from the original one. I love the package. I love how all the shades come in like their cute little, you know, color range. It's very pretty, the aesthetic wise. It's gonna look really nice in my vanity here because it's very neutral. I like the material of this. It's like plastic but silicone-y. It's very smooth. The older version is like a tall plastic bottom with a tall plastic lid. This is glass. It's very luxe looking. It has a traditional pump, which I'm a big fan of. What's really nice about this formulation is that it is a baseline of a medium coverage, but you can definitely build it. This formulation is really nice because I think the soundbite is like micro skin system. So basically it gives you like second skin finish, super flawless, super HD airbrush finish, just like the original formulation. This whole package is also made out of recycled items. This is also known as like their skin undetectable 24-hour longwear foundation. I've actually wore this a few times. I recently changed this color. I had like a 3N36 or something, which was just a little too dark. So I actually went and exchanged it for another neutral, but in the medium. So this is a 2N34, which is a perfect shade. I'm not wearing it today, but I've worn this a good amount of times and I highly, highly like it. I wore this a few times with just one pump. Nice even medium finish, and a few times where I actually built it with 2 pumps. So even though if I have like a fuller coverage, it doesn't look or feel like I have a lot on. Last but not least, this does help with correcting the complexion. It has a radiant finish and it also does smooth out the skin. This foundation does not have any sunscreen, which I'm okay with because I do like to wear my sunscreen separately from my makeup, unless if I'm traveling or just want a lighter formulation where like a tinted moisturizer has like sunscreen. But when it comes to foundation, I do like to wear it separately. I am wearing these beautiful, beautiful new lashes by Ardell. They are called the Light as Air Foundation. These are called the Light as Air lashes. What I like about these lashes is that if you look from the side profile, it actually has like 2 layers of lashes. The top layer is really fluttery and just more perky, has like an angle. So if you're looking at me straight forward, it's nice and perky and fluffy. But from the side view, it has a lot of fullness, which is really pretty. So you get best of both worlds. You get that naturally fluffy, wispy, but a little intense from the side view. What's really nice about these lashes, it actually comes with a small little bottle of lash glue. So speaking of falsies, I've actually been using the Grande Lash Serum. I know, obviously it's not on the top, but I'm gonna show you my lower lashes. I don't know if I've been putting too much on where it just kind of lingers and touches like my bottom lashes, which I'm not mad at because my lower lashes were like non-existent. It was like nothing. But let me show you. I'm gonna zoom up, but don't look at all the other imperfections, okay? It's crazy, huh? It's hell long. It's like spider legs, but I like it. I've been using the serum for the past, I want to say, month to 2 months. I kind of got lazy towards the end, but it still shows. So if you guys are looking for some instant results of your lashes, or you just want to try it, you're maybe attending an event, you're going to some place where you're going to see people and you just want some longer lashes, then give them a try. For this makeup look, I actually didn't want to wear these lashes because I wanted to show you my current lengths of my lashes. My lashes in general are very thin, they're very sparse, so they're not going to be full from left to right, but they do have some length. I love this product so much that Sephora is actually offering like a 100-point perk for like the mini one. So I redeemed it in my recent purchase. If I receive it by the time I'm finished editing it, I'm gonna place it right here so you guys can see it. This is actually gonna be great for my upcoming trips in case if I want like a quick touch up instead of bringing like the whole large jar. Guys, I've been loving this big old toothbrush thing. I'm sure you guys are familiar. The trend right now is big, fluffy, bushy brows on fleek. Your girl here has like no hair. It's super, super light. So I thought I'd give it a try, and I've been loving this technique. At first, I've tried it where I put too little, then I put too much, then I couldn't like fill it in because it's all waxy. But I do like the look of it. If I'm not putting any product on my brows, then I can slather on as much wax as I want to have my hairs kind of lifted in the directions as I want it. Today I did a medium to light amount, and then that way I can still go in with my pencil to fill it in. So today I'm just wearing just the wax with my brow pencil. I'm using a new brow pencil, so my brows are a little bit on the lighter side. I don't know if I like it or dislike it. I'm used to a little bit more darker brows, but I'm not mad at it, but I feel like with the lighter color and using this wax, it makes my brows look fuller. A little goes a long way with this, so you don't need a lot. Another iconic London product. I've been loving this. I am usually a powdered, pressed powder palette type of highlighter girl. I mean, I do have a few liquids in my drawer, but I really wanted to try this because every time I see this on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Sephora ads, it's literally like so potent and strong. I have it on right here, my inner eyes, the tip of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. I don't know if you can tell if it's reflecting or not. I kid you not, with one little tiny dot, I was able to dot everywhere that I wanted to use it. Then I went in with my brush and finger and just kind of diffused it because it was like so strong. I can totally see myself mixing this with like a complexion product. I mean, I could possibly even mix it something like this together or any other foundation to have a very glowy overall look. But for today, I just want it in those highlighted areas. Has anyone ever said to you, don't judge a book by its cover? Heard that before as a child, and I definitely just did it with this product in my recent video. This is a K-Beauty contouring and highlighting palette. I looked at it and said, this is not gonna work on my skin. And I was so wrong because it had hella color. Like, I was so surprised. I used an angled brush and applied it right here to my temples, and I brought it kind of high up. This color alone is so pretty. It's so soft and natural. However, I did use another product just right here just to warm it up, but this is such a pretty contouring palette. This is very easy to use because it's 2 colors. You can use this and highlight. You can follow the descriptions here. I can find myself taking this on a trip because I could use this for many things. Not just for contouring, I can use this to set under my eyes. I can set a liquid product if I'm putting primer on the skin. If I want to brighten around certain areas, this is it. So this is really thin. It's a plastic container and I am so excited to put this in my makeup bag for my upcoming trips. I have been loving this brand. I've raved about it in many of my videos. I've posted it on Instagram and mentioned it. So these are the newest concealers. I've been using this to really color correct around my eyes, my nose, and that's it. Kid you not, today I'm wearing this tinted sunscreen with this concealer, which I spot treated just under the eyes and mouth area. And this is my look with these 2 products. Very glowy, very dewy. But I do have the extra coverage around the areas that I wanted to neutralize. I'm okay with having my freckles and other imperfections peeking through, but this is such a beautiful formulation. This has a very powerful herb to help color correct the skin, anti-aging properties. This is a full coverage, but it doesn't crease up on my skin. This is such an amazing product. I love the package and it's also vegan, cruelty free. My last product is going to be this backpack. I am so in love with this. Thank you so much, hubby, for purchasing this for me. This is a quilted backpack. I love traveling with these types of bags. Kid you not, the bag that I used to travel a lot with is the Prada. It's like a messenger bag. No, that's a messenger bag. It's just a crossbody bag, but it's the same type of material. It's like a nylon. It was a taupe color or like a beigey color, so it was very light. So it got dirty quick, right? What I like most about those types of materials and bags is that when I come home, I literally just throw it in the washing machine and hang dry it. I mean, as long as you put it in a garment bag, you're fine. But what I'm trying to say is I don't need to professionally bring it to a dry cleaners to have them clean it because it's the designer bag. I just love those types of materials because it's easy to travel with and to clean afterwards. So we went shopping a few weeks ago. I purposely was on a hunt for a bag that was in this material, nylon, very easy to travel with. I can scrunch it up in my carry-on and when I get there, I can use it. And it's orange with the brick undertone. I mean, I don't know, on camera it's reading off kind of red. I don't know, that's what it looks like on my viewfinder. But seriously, it's like an orangey with the brick. I love the big fat zippers, big pockets, small tiny backpack, adjustable straps. I'm just so in love with this. I'm just really happy that I was able to find something for my upcoming international trip, if all goes well. I'm not sure if you guys seen my older vlogs. I used to travel with this white creamy backpack, which is by Matt and Nat. Love that brand. But at that time I was really into white and I really wish I bought a brown one. But I like this one even better because I can fold it. The other one is like, faux leather, so it's hard to actually fold it. So this was actually a good call and thank you so much, hubs. Alright guys, that is it for my monthly favorites. If you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!